Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate LinkedIn InMail credit strategy with
To activate LinkedIn InMail credits with LinkedIn Premium, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the top right corner of the home page. Click on the Me icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy.
In the Settings menu, find the Subscriptions and Payments section. Click on Premium Subscription Settings. Scroll down to explore the benefits associated with your premium subscription. Look for the details regarding InMail credits. LinkedIn Premium accounts come with a set number of InMail credits each month. To activate these credits, ensure your premium subscription is active. If you're not a premium member, choose a plan that suits your needs. Follow the prompts to complete the subscription process. To send an InMail message, navigate to the profile of the individual you want to contact.
Click on the Message button. In the message interface, you'll see an option to send an InMail. Write your message, ensuring it is concise and professional.
Review your message for clarity and proper grammar.
When satisfied, click on the Send button to deliver your InMail. Keep track of your InMail credits usage in your premium settings.
If you run low on credits each month, consider adjusting your messaging strategy.
Utilize your InMail credits wisely to maximize networking opportunities. Engage with prospects who match your industry or interests for effective outreach.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.